in this video I'm gonna show you how to make a melodic techno drop from scratch. Let's straight dive into it. Let's start off with the melodic lead. So edit a new serum and pick a preset from the limbo pack. Let's use this one and dive into the MIDI. We're gonna start off on the root note on the A, then go up to the third note of the scale and bump it up an octave. And then up to the fifth. Remove the legato. Just like this. Then leave a lot of space in the melody to keep it kind of interesting. And start it off on the same way. But then go up to the sixth note. Then go down to the seventh note and one octave up again. And keep that same arpeggio rhythm. Just like this. Duplicate it. And make a little variation at the end. Yeah, just like this. And then just again another small variation. So that's it for the melody. Now we're gonna mix it. First some OTT. And cable crusher. EQ it of course. Then tweak the effects in the preset a little bit. Add some reverb and delay. Just like this. And some reverb in the mixing as well. Just like this. Also make sure to add a kickstart to it. And create an animation clip. Because first I don't want to have the drums playing and then hit it with the drums. And then hit it right here. So now we're gonna add a bass to it. Edit a new serum. And pick a bass from the pack. First we're gonna mix it some more. I don't really like the sound of this one, so yeah, let's use this one. So let's dive in the MIDI and make a simple rolling bass with a one octave switch. Yeah, just like this. Drop it right here. Then I want to make it a little bit more interesting by automating the mod view. Yeah, just like this. Makes it a bit more interesting and also makes it a bit more tonal. We're gonna do the same for the lead sounds. Yeah, just like this. So together the leads and bass sound like this. Now we're gonna dive into the drums. So first pick a kick drum from the pack. Let's use the first one. Let's see how it sounds together with the bass. Yeah, that really does the job. Mix it a bit more. I think we could use some distortion on it. Yeah, just a really small amount. And some compression. Then we're gonna mix it in with the bass. And the lead sound. Just like this. Then we're gonna add an ambience to it. Fit it to the tempo. And pitch it in key. Again, mix it in. And push it to the sides in the mix. Just like this. Yeah, that's perfect. So then we need to fill it up some more. Let's add in a new serum. And pick a plug sound from the pack. Let's use this one. Yeah, just like this. Again, to fill it up some more. Then we're gonna add in a step sound as well. So let's pick a step sound from the pack. Let's use this one. Yeah, just like this. Place it right here. Or well, let's switch it up a little bit. Let's drop it right here. And drop in a saw step right here for 2 bars, I think. So add in a new serum. Let's use this one and drop it in on the root note. EQ it. And a sidechain. And then I want to add a wobble sound to it as well. So again, another serum. Let's use this one. And drop it right here. And then just duplicate the elements. So we have an 8-bar loop. I only want to fill it up some more. With some downlifters. Right here. Then turn it into a full 16-bar loop. And then a little fill right here. Just like this. Also make sure to add a low cut animation on the master as well. sounding like this. So then I want to fill it up a little bit more with a drone sound, so add in a new serum. We can also use this one in the second, as a second synth step. Right here. Yeah, just like this. But I was looking for a drone sound, so let's continue the search. Yeah, let's use this one. And fill out the pre-drop a little bit more. So that's how you make a melodic techno drop. I think it turned out really dope with all the elements. So let me know what you think about it as well. Besides that, if you like the video, please drop a like, leave a comment, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see y'all in the next videos.